Welcome to the solution video for the TechHub.training Excel Learning Path Solver Challenge. Excel is going to be used to analyze some information about Smart Home Co., a fictitious smart appliance company. This particular challenge focuses on using Solver to determine a purchase order that matches the ideal sales mix that would generate the highest potential profit. We're going to go ahead and get started here by opening the start file, and this is the same start file for all of the Smart Home Co. I'm going to go to the Sales Mix Analysis tab, and we're going to make sure we have Solver included in here. And so we're going to search Tools, and in Tools right here we have the add-ins, and then we're going to make sure we have this checked right here, the Solver add-in, and hit OK. And then Solver is pretty simple once you figure out how to use it. And so we're going to go ahead and hit Solver here, and we want to maximize our profit here by changing these variables, which is going to but we have some constraints that we'll get into in just a second. And so our objective is that, and we're going to max that, and we're going to change here, here, and here. 12. And then we're going to add some constraints. So right here we have this has to be between the minimum and the maximum demand. And so we're going to go ahead and do all the less than or equal to. We're going to hit this is less, and this is less than or equal to this, and this is less than or equal to that. And then do the same thing, but for greater than for the minimum demand. Last one. Okay. So we have these rules set. We have each one is greater than or equal to the minimum demand. Has to be greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, and less than or equal to the maximum demand. However, there is one more constraint that we got to do. So in this scenario, we can make an account order, but each order is capped at $200,000. So this one right here, oh my God. So we're going to add one more rule, where we have this that needs to be equal to or less than that number. And then once we have all that, we're going to hit solve. And Solver popped up with this. It says Solver found a solution. We're going to go ahead and keep the Solver solution and hit OK. Pop that out. 248,500. You see these, that's where profit, and these are all variables.